love your new tutu? Huh? Do you love it? Yeah? Did your auntie get you that tutu? She made it for you. Yeah, it's a little big though, huh? What you doing? You playing with it? It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Pretty, pretty Peyton. You want to spin around? Yeah, look at you. You're so silly. Can you walk in it? Can you walk? Don't eat it. Is that your belly? I see your belly. Okay, Peyton, can you wave bye-bye to the camera? Can you wave bye-bye? Yeah, good girl. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye.